In any welding shop that you go to, you're gonna see Lincoln Electric welders there. And just to be able to have the opportunity to come here is awesome.
What we're doing here with Project MFG, we're trying to put students in a position where they don't feel 100% comfortable, right? Because when they do hit the actual work field, they're gonna be given challenges that maybe they're not anticipating. That's why we're doing what we're doing, is to make sure that they're critically thinking when they're putting these parts together.
Greatest experience of my life, honestly, getting here to tour Lincoln Electric. I mean, I've been to the front door and I was just amazed.
I'm proud to be judging this competition because of how seriously they've taken it. I think it gives them a goal to strive for, but there's also the spirit of camaraderie that you'll have with going into a competition like that. Everybody pushing each other to do better. Somebody's gonna come out of this shining like a golden star.